Hi, babe.
Hey.
I'm like down the road from your shop. Somebody hit me.
No shit?
No, and I need you to come down here just to get the pieces from the car.
God damn it. Okay, I'll be right there.
Okay.
Bye. Apparently Bobby just wrecked her car. So we gotta go figure this out. Lord Almighty. God damn it. Stupid ass truck quit revving. Oh, Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Your call has been forwarded. Can I park here for a sec?
Oh yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll just down to this guy, but you can park here.
Big grip to gear. At least you're okay. You want to explain what happened real quick to my YouTube, or do you want to later?
Can we do it a little bit later?
Okay. Well, here's Bobby's car. She's a little fucked up. It's not terrible. It could be way worse. Got her wheel, fender, bumper, fog light. Some dude hit her, apparently trying to change lanes, and fucked up Gary.
That was a weird horn.
25 minutes, bruh?
It's bad.
What's going on here?
Defund the police is what's going on here.
So, Bobby got hit 25 minutes ago and called the cops, and the cops saying here. This is some bullshit.
Well, I called the cops.
Well,
she
Jared,
called the cops, and you called the
I
cops.
like how you got here way before me. What the hell's going on here?
We've called you like 10 times.
I was busy painting. I know.
I'm like, why is Bobby calling me? I was in the middle of a set. It's like, Bobby Wallace is calling.
Oh, you're at the gym?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Bobby was trying to get a hold of me as I was finishing painting, and I did not have my phone on me. And I came back to the shop with like 5 missed calls. But we've been here for, they've been here for over 25 freaking minutes. We've all called the cops multiple times, and yeah, nothing can get them out here. So we're gonna sit here, leave the cars where they were, just so I don't want to move the cars, because I want the police to be like, okay, well, this is what happened. Bobby's obviously not at fault. And yeah, but the cars are literally in the road, so that was some bullshit.
It's not her car, it's her
Oh, you guys trying to take the road and this wheel?
I was just driving and he just tried to go over to the other lane and didn't see me and hit me. Yeah, I'm driving this way. What?
You trying to go this road?
I was on this road driving.
So, there's no police coming?
They said they're on their way.
Too sad. I was driving to Devin's shop to go on a date, and I was in the right hand lane and the guy was in the left hand lane, and he tried to do a lane change and didn't see me and smacked the side of my car and fucked it up. Is that funny?
Sad. A quick glance at the car, bumper, carbon lip, fender,
Wheel.
wheels completely fucked. Anything else? ABS light, brake light came on.
Was my door not?
I think your door's fine. Mirror's
I
gone.
didn't look at the headlights or anything either.
It probably got the headlight a little bit.
Look, there's
It's way too cold outside. You almost hit my paint. We sat there for an hour and a half. 2 hours? 2 hours. We sat there waiting for the police to come. Multiple police drove by. Bobby's car was in the middle of the road. The dude that hit her's hitter's car was in the middle of the road. Jared parked behind Bobby in the road so someone wouldn't hit Bobby for 2 hours. And the cops drove by and they literally just look and keep going. Whoa. So big shout out to the Spokane Police Department. You guys suck. Baby. Literally suck. They suck. Well, it pisses me off. Literally, you could come here right now, blow my brains out. I would be dead on the floor and the cops wouldn't show up. That's how pissed I am right now. I'm not even mad about your car. I'm literally more mad about the damn police.
I want to talk. So like the main reason we wanted the cops there too is because the guy didn't have insurance or like an ID. He didn't even know who's like the car. We thought it was stolen for a really long time. So it was just a very sketchy situation, and I've never been in a car accident, so I didn't know what to do. So I called the cops thinking they would like come and help, but
apparently they don't give a shit.
Yeah, so we didn't really.
Nothing
happened. Yeah, out of waiting that long.
Cops never came. Bottom line, cops never came. We all froze our ass off and left. Now I'm back at the shop.
Can we show them?
Yeah.
I want to be the one to tell them what happened.
All right.
Okay, so first thing that's fucked up is the mirror.
Yep, she's gone.
And there's... Oh, it must have been his mirror that fell out.
The glass, yeah, it was.
Okay, we have a little bit of...
Oh, Lord. That's his paint. That's literally his paint. I think that'll buff off.
The wheel, a little bit fuckered.
Oh, Jared was like, why don't you just powder coat it? Ain't no powder coating that son of a bitch. That thing's hammed.
Fender.
That thing's hammed.
A little bit fucked.
Actually...
Baby, it's dented right here.
I know. I guarantee your dad's shop could fix this. I'm not painting this shit. I ain't that good. This car's way too nice for me to paint. They could fix all of this.
Not the bumper.
Yeah, they could plastic all it.
Even though it's cracked?
Yeah.
Really?
It's easily fixable.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna put all this back on your car real quick.
And you guys can't really see it, but the lip, like underneath, is all cracked. The whole thing.
Right here, it's destroyed.
Where? Probably from where I went up on the curb.
It's completely shot right there. It's all spiderweb. The whole thing's fucked. They're not fixing that lip.
Yeah.
That's your new winter lip.
Winter setup right there. Poor Gary.
It's bullshit because this is like the nicest car in the world. Why does this have to get in a wreck?
I don't know.
Why don't your bumper fit?
When I called Jared, I was almost crying.
Really?
Yeah. My bumper won't fit because my car's fucked.
Okay, it's the next day after Bobby catered her STi.
I catered it. Some guy catered it.
Bobby put a potato on it. She went to her dad's shop this morning, which is an auto body shop, as you guys know. Did they put it up on the lift?
Yeah.
They put it up on the lift, and Bobby came to the shop in tears.
What?
Because her car is totaled.
No crying, no tears. It's not totaled.
What's up?
Okay, so I got my estimate from my dad. And it's a pretty long one.
Oh, Lord.
You can tell. So you guys already saw like the damage on the outside of it, but underneath the car is where it gets a little tricky.
Here, give me the vehicle. 2019 Series Grey manual. And it's gray. Bumper cover. Clear coat. Fog lights. Front lit. Type RA. Headlight. Fender. Fuck the tie rod. We got the hub too.
Yeah, it's all bent.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Is it really that bad underneath?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. That's a lot of damage.
Yeah.
Is your door fucked up?
My door? No.
That's a lot of labor. Huh, that's a lot of money. I hope you're rich. It's worth more than your car. Damn. So what's all underneath? Tie rod? Hub? What's a LT? Low,
I don't know.
LT mount, control arm, and a tie rod.
I think it's a control arm that's like really bent.
$300 for a control arm. That sucks.
Yeah, it really does. And there's oil everywhere, but you know how I had that leak before? Like out of a little bolt. It was leaking, like a tiny little...
That's not it.
No, I know that, but
No
it made
way.
it worse because they were like, that oil is old, but there was like new oil too.
That oil was coming, it was not dripping from one spot though. There was
Yeah.
multiple locations.
Yeah, he was like pointing to another location that oil was coming out of, and I...
Because your car's been parked in the garage for years and it's never leaked oil. And last night there's a shit ton of oil.
Yeah.
So Damn, well that sucks. Good thing you have a dad who paints. Am I okay to get in your car all painted?
No,
What do you want me to do?
just get in. She's gonna touch your. She's touching your truck with the leaf.
Hey, motherfucker.
Oh my god! Well, what the frick? She's like scratching the side of your truck with her.
I think it's a dude.
No, it's a. Oh, yeah, it is a guy.
That was hilarious.
Well, you just are watching.
No, I don't care. If it was something nice, I don't care. That thing scratched the shit.
Oh,
Anyway, hold
sorry
this.
then, dude, for scaring you.
That was funny. Bobby's fender may be able to be PDR'd out. We're gonna go to a PDR shop real quick. There's one local to us. And if it can, all we have to spray is the bumper. That'd be much easier than spraying the fender too. No cracked paint, there's just a big old dent. And I know some PDR guys that are good. Let's go see what they can do. Sick build. All right, we went to the PDR shop. He's gonna straighten that son of a gun out on a Wednesday, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So now we just have to respray the bumper. Also, check out this alignment. We have some sort of ruined control arm, or maybe a tie rod end. So we gotta buy some parts. You ready to order? You ready to drain your bank account fixing this piece of poop? 50K is what it's gonna cost, plus labor from me.
I mean, you could just give you mood cheese. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, the shop's full of shit. We're gonna get this thing up in the air real quick. I want to take a quick peek and get some parts ordered up because this wheel is all cambered and towed out and all effed up. So let's buy some parts tonight.
You're good. Where are you going?
Even with a fucked up wheel, she still revs high.
Oh my gosh, that is enough. Nice butt.
Why is this stupid car so low?
Oh honey, all of your clothes are low.
Yeah, no, it's a pile of shit.
You're aggressive. She's a heavy biatch. She broke my dad's wood piece.
She broke your dad's wood? That's a little sus. Let's see what's fucked. Oh, found it.
Babe, it took forever to get this back up on there.
I'm sorry, Bobby. Oh, wow. Ah,
I told you.
that inner tie rod's fucking hammered. I can't do that right here. I gotta prove it. That's a lot of work. I mean, it's not that bad, but
But it
on the
is.
ground, in the concrete, in sanding dust, it's kind of shitty. I'm not fixing that tonight. There's no way. I need to use a lift.
I wasn't expecting you to fix it tonight.
Holy fuck. Why is it leaking so much oil?
You know what? They told me and I can't remember.
Yeah. It for sure needs the inner tie rod immediately. Let me check your dream. Alright, well.
The bottom line is she's a little bit fuckered.
Inner tie rod's completely shot. That is what the car needs immediately to be driven. So I'm gonna order one up. $36 OEM Subaru parts. Beautiful. All in all, not too big of a deal. PDR that fender. I feel like there's some damage underneath the fender that we're gonna have to diagnose. Mirror, wheel, fix the front bumper, some suspension components. Should be back on the road. Better than ever. I hear a straight pipe Subaru. She's breaking up. Probably needs new plugs.
It looks like,
She might be gapped a little loose too on the plugs.
kind of sounds like mine when it was breaking up. Truck.
Toyota.
Or Devin's butt. This looks like your job when you mounted the tires and wheels. That's your work.
I think Sam.
But it is that wheel. Tell him it's the wheel.
Funny story as well. Remember when I mounted these new wheels for Bobby? First time I ever used my tire machine, I fucked this wheel up, and it was this one right here. So now we redeemed ourselves, and I gotta try again with a brand new Ford Star CF10V, C10FV, CF5V.
Okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Goodbye.
Moochie. To you.
What?
Moochie.
What's that mean?
Okay.